Hello everyone, I'm Dorcas Taylor, a researcher at the Institute of Commonwealth Studies at the School of Advanced Study at the University of London. Mark your calendar for May the 20th to learn how emotions can help solve complex problems like climate change. In this interactive careers workshop, you'll learn how emotions influence decision-making and discover new strategies for impactful change. Don't miss this chance to develop your emotional intelligence and become a more effective change maker. Hope to see you on May the 20th. Register on Careers Connect.
Hello everyone, I am Elisa Stafferini, a researcher at the Warburg Institute School of Advanced Study, University of London. Join me on June 3rd to explore how to become a more effective and empathetic professional. By exploring how virtues or different human qualities are perceived across different cultures and generations, you can challenge the stereotypes and interact more effectively and empathetically with others. So don't forget to register on Careers Connect and join me on June 3rd. See you!
Hi everyone, I am Pauline Blanchet, researcher at the University of London Institute in Paris and the School of Advanced Study, University of London. Come along on our session on June 9th to discover, is AI reshaping our history? Join me to develop your complex problem-solving skills by exploring how urban places are represented in different ways and how AI and modern technologies can bring historical places back to life, giving us a fresh view of our past. Register all sessions on Careers Connect